Hey, good day to you all. This video on our channel is going to show you how to protect your vehicle from rust and dirt. If there is such a corrosion or dirt in your vehicle, what most people do is apply a normal or superior type of surface coating. But it may not be long before you regret not being able to protect your vehicle from such coatings. In this video I am going to show you how to protect your car from rust for a long time. This method can protect vehicles for about 30 years. Imagine ships and boats in the middle of a salty ocean for 365 days. They are also made of iron, but what if you put enough paint on your car on the ground to protect them from rust? Needless to say, the land can withstand more than 30 years of sun and rain if it is protected for 10 years without rusting in the midst of heavy salts. The name of this ointment is Marine. 500 milliliters of pigment in 1 liter of tin of paint, and the other 500 milliliters of hardener can be purchased in that 1 liter tin. So you can do this coating yourself. There are a few very simple ways. First, scrub the area with a wire brush to remove unwanted paint and stains. Then add the pigment and hardener in equal proportions and mix well. Thinner does not need to know this type of paint. But if you do it with a paint spray, you only need to apply a little thinner. Brushing is the best. So, it is successful to spray the areas that cannot be brushed with a brush. 1 coat is enough, and those who can put 2 coats on you can make security even stronger. Leave the paint to dry for about 24 hours and then apply any color you like. After the paint dries, it will not be damaged even if something rough is worn. Apply this type of paint to protect your vehicle for years to come. Do not fall prey to falsehoods. We say that this method can be guaranteed to be successful. Comment on comments and allegations about this video. To watch videos like this, subscribe to the channel. See you in a new video. To the channel.